We're in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina on the boardwalk while it's all decked out for the Christmas holidays. We wanted to share this with you. Hi, I'm Carmen, and if you're new here and you enjoy Myrtle Beach videos, be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss anything new. This is absolutely one of our favorite times of the year. As you can see, it is a gorgeous, gorgeous day. You've got the Christmas decorations up. It is pretty early in the morning, so that's why you don't see these things open, but these will be open later today. We've seen a couple of cafes that are already open, and we'll definitely see the rest of this later on today. It's one nice thing about Myrtle Beach. It's been a little different this year, but most of the time, entertainment stays open most of the year. There's a few things that are exceptions in that, but most of the things stay open year-round, even off-season. We love this time of the year here because the weather's great and there are less crowds. There's definitely quite a few people here, but it's not packed. You know, it's not a crowded time of the year to come. Beautiful, beautiful day. Got the Skywheel. If you're wondering, the highs today are probably in the 70s. So you can see, you know, people have shorts on. Some people have jackets. It just depends on your cold tolerance. It's about maybe 9:30, 10 in the morning right now. So it's on the earlier side. Love the pretty garland. They also have some of this garland street side as well on Ocean Boulevard. And they have some lights up on Kings Highway that are attached to some of the street lights. It's pretty neat. They do a nice job decorating. Also, there are white lights on these palm trees. They leave those up year round though. So I think we saw them appear around Christmas one year and then they never took them down. So all these palm trees have white lights on them as well. Now we're up to the Gay Dolphin. And someone recently asked me if they're still open. Oh yes, they are absolutely open. They've never closed. I mean, during the very beginning of things this year, everything had to close for a time. It was mandated, but they've been open ever since. So pretty. Lots of people out enjoying a walk on the beach or a walk on the boardwalk. If you don't like to get down in the sand, the boardwalk's definitely a good option because, as you can see, tons of great views, tons of places like this you can come have a seat, especially this time of the year. In the summer, this would be a hot seat. This time of the year, it's a great view and it feels great. You're not going to be hot. Here's the pier down there. Oh, that's cool too. I just noticed that the garland actually has lights on it. So that's pretty cool. There's the Skywheel. Always check their hours, but typically the Skywheel opens at 11 a.m., but the hours vary. So definitely check their website or call ahead. That's another, you know, entertainment option here that is open year-round. And the cars are climate controlled, which is nice as well. They've got some lovely Christmas trees over here in Plyler Park. That's what this park is right here. It's a really pretty park. We're now headed back the way that we just came, and they've got the really pretty Christmas tree down here at the main point of the boardwalk. The boardwalk's actually pretty long, but this is sort of the main section or the strip, the main area of the boardwalk at Myrtle Beach. They really do a nice job dressing it up for the holidays, and they've got some funny stuff going on with this tree up here. We'll give you a close-up. Here's their beautiful Christmas tree down here at the boardwalk. And this is definitely something I've never seen before. The legs leaning into the tree. I guess it's supposed to be someone decorating. It's kind of funny. And then now we're to the central boardwalk. You've got the volleyball courts, and you've got that really beautiful, that tree over there, if it shows up, is totally made of lights, and at night that looks really awesome. And more of the beautiful garland, and of course the beautiful, beautiful beach. Nothing trumps the beach. Here's a close-up of that tree that has totally made of lights. It's in the old pavilion area. So cool. All along the boardwalk, they have these public beach access areas where you can go down and enjoy the beach. So that's another plus to coming down to the boardwalk. You've got restaurants, you've got entertainment, you've got all the beautiful holiday decorations for Christmas, and you've got this awesome beach to enjoy. So nice. Let's get a little closer, get a smell of the ocean. Wish you had smell-o-vision. Nothing beats that smell. There's a view back up towards the boardwalk, Skywheel, the pier. So nice. A few people out early today. I've got metal detecting right there, people walking and seashell hunting. The water finally has hit that temperature where if you're sturdy, you could probably still swim. But the air temperature is a little cool now with highs in the 70s, so that means in the morning it's cooler. It's probably in the 60s right now. There's some kids over there that are hardy, they're swimming. But that's not for me this time of the year. Oh, here we are. Now wading, that's definitely something I could do in this time of the year, but swimming, no. It's a little too cool for me. Even the last time we were here, the water temperature had dropped quite a bit. So nice. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.